Greetings. This is update number 7 to the Wrebbit paper clock that I built. It works. It's been running all night long, and it hasn't stopped. I haven't touched it. And the only thing I can say about it is it's about 7 minutes slow. It's actually 7:52 right now. So in order to speed it up a little bit, I'm going to raise the pendulum. We'll do that right now. Let's go 1 gear tooth. There we go. Okay, so hopefully it'll keep a little better time. Let's catch it up. I'm going to disengage the pendulum so that it'll catch up. Ready? I built this clock entirely out of cardboard and glue. Each gear is several layers of paper and cardboard glued together, and then I dremeled every tooth, I lacquered it, I polished it, and then I used a dry Teflon lubricant on all the gears and axles so that nothing would rub. Hey kiddo, excuse me, come over here. Come over here. It took me 30 hours to build this clock, and it's something that's been on my bucket list. I've always wanted to build a mechanical clock. This is actually my 3rd attempt. I had a kit just like this when I was a kid, about 10 or 12 years old, and it didn't work because I didn't have the tools, experience, or patience to be able to build it properly. Hi, kiddo.
I don't drink on the bed.
Yeah, that's right. No drinks on the bed. Do you like the clock?
She's drinking on the bed.
You're right. Medley, please get off the bed. So we need to get this up to 52 or 53. Almost there.
It's not my bedtime.
No, it's not your bedtime. It's morning. It ran all night long. I didn't touch it. I can't believe it. I mean, I knew it would work, but I didn't believe it would work. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. It's working.
It is. It's working.
It's working.
The hardest part of the clock is getting this part that goes back and forth. I'm going to call it the anchor. I don't know what it's really called. It goes back and forth on the escape wheel. Getting that angle set properly was a chore, was a challenge. Hey, don't do that. Getting that angle set properly was difficult. But once I got that, it was just a matter of sliding that assembly up and down to find the exact right spot to where it wouldn't stop. About there. Okay. Put the pendulum back on, and away she goes. Oh, it's not on there. There we go. All right, so let's see if it keeps time now. We're losing 7 minutes overnight. It really isn't that bad.
Take a picture of it. I burped.
Okay, thank you. The pendulum doesn't move as much as I thought it would. It only travels about 2 inches at the very bottom. So I have this habit of whenever I start it to like really give it a huge push, which is way more than it needs. There it is.
She's touching it.
The Wrebbit paper clock.
She's touching it.
But you better not.